Mutugo wa muingi kwirigita na njira ya kugura ndawa ona thengia wa gukorwo matari na utauku wa thina uria uri mwiri ni ukoretwo uri ugwati amu ndawa icio kaingi ininaga ruo indi ti kurigita thina wa murwaru. Gicunji kinene kia muingi merikanite matiikinyagia thibitari kumatha motungata kuri ataramu indi mahanyukaga nduka-ini cia wendia wa ndawa kugura ndawa iria meciragiria ni ikunina thina uria mari naguo matari na utauku ati ni murimu marahumbira.
Just walk in, you explain how you are feeling. Normally there is someone wearing a kabuti ya white anatuambia jaribu hii and from my observation they look at you, huyu anaweza toa 1500, so dawa ya 1500 ni gani, anatoa hiyo, huyu ni wa 300.
We're hoping that these guidelines will help us avert this, will help the patients recover quickly, shorten the hospital stay, and also reduce overall the cost of patient care that is associated with the hospitalization and administration.
Hari kuhurana na ugwati uyu thibitari wa Mama Lucy ni uruguritie mutaratara wa guteithiriria ataramu thibitari-ini uyu gukinyaniria motungata magaciru ma urigiti kuri muingi uria wikinyagia thibitari-ini uyu na ningi makahota kuhe murwaru ndawa iria iringaine na murimu wake.
The other day I was in Geneva and I had a cold. As usual, I decided to go to the pharmacy to ask for my drug, and I couldn't be sold. They told me for this one, you must have a prescription. And I asked at home, how many times can this happen?
We want to do it right. In addition to also adopting the national guidelines that states that each and every institution based on your data, you're supposed to adapt your own.
Rugamiriri wa thibitari uyu hamwe noguo wiranire guthie na mbere gutabania uthuthuria uria guteithiriria muingi kwamukira motungata magikiro kia iguru kuria ningi meranire unyitaniri na nyiti itemi matigaine aria ni hamwe na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi.
And the main objective is to give clarity in antibiotic prescribing. We are looking at 5 R's: the right patient, the right dose, the right frequency, the right duration, and treating the right infection.
And in the long run, we believe that as we continue to perfect our practice, Mama Lucy should be able to be at the apex of clinical care in this county and in this republic.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.